Welcome to Dreamweave Stories. In today's video, Sophia will share a special story about her pets with you. You'll learn useful words and phrases that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This is also a great opportunity to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. My pets at home. Story, listen carefully. Hello, I'm Sophia. I want to share a special story with you. It's about my two best friends, Snowy and Buddy. Snowy is a fluffy white cat, and Buddy is a playful dog. They have brought so much joy into my life, and I have learned a lot from taking care of them. First, let me tell you how I met Snowy. It was a cold winter day, and I found her hiding under a bench, shivering. She was so tiny and looked very scared. I couldn't leave her there, so I took her home. I gave her some warm milk and a cozy blanket. Snowy quickly became a part of my family. She loves to sit by the window and watch the birds. At night, she climbs up and sleeps on the bed with me, purring softly. A few months later, I found Buddy. He was trapped in some bushes near my house. I carefully freed him and he followed me home, wagging his tail all the way. Buddy loves to go for walks and play in the park. He is very friendly and always happy. Taking care of Snowy and Buddy is very important to me. I make sure they have food and water every day. Snowy has a litter box that I clean regularly, and I take Buddy for walks twice a day. I also take them to the vet for checkups to make sure they are healthy. Snowy and Buddy are very different, but they both love to be near me. When I am sad, they seem to know and try to cheer me up. Snowy will jump onto my lap and purr, while Buddy rests his head on my knee. Having pets is a big responsibility, but it is also very rewarding. Snowy and Buddy have taught me about friendship, patience, and love. They are not just pets. They are my family. Interesting vocabulary and phrases. Before we begin our speaking practice, let's learn some interesting words and phrases from our story to improve our English skills. Fluffy describes something that is very light and soft to touch. Example: the pillow was so fluffy and comfortable to rest on. Shiver means to shake slightly because you are cold, frightened, or excited. Example: I started shivering as soon as I stepped outside into the snow. Tiny means very small. Example: Snowy was so tiny when Sophie first found her under the bench. If a cat purrs, it makes a soft, low sound in its throat to show that it is happy. Example: I knew my cat was happy because she was purring loudly. If someone or something is trapped, that person or thing is unable to move or escape from a place or situation. Example: the two men died when they were trapped in a burning building. If a dog wags its tail, the dog moves its tail many times from one side to the other. Example: Buddy wags his tail every time Sophie comes home. A litter box is a container that is filled with material that absorbs liquid and is used as a toilet for cats. Example: Sophie cleans Snowy's litter box every day to keep it fresh. A vet is short for a veterinarian, a doctor for animals. Example: the vet gave the puppy a vaccination during his first visit. A checkup is a general examination by a doctor or vet to see if a person or animal is healthy. Example: Sophie takes Snowy in for a checkup at the vet every year. Rewarding means giving satisfaction, happiness, or benefit. Example: teaching can be very rewarding.